and welcome to another video. So I already have this cut open, so we can open it right up. All right. So today I have a security camera system. It's called the VAVA Cam Pro. It's a 1080p 2-camera Wi-Fi security camera system. It's waterproof. It has long-lasting battery. You can store it into your hard drive for free, so you don't have to pay for a cloud-based service. So this is the box. I will, as always, post a Amazon link to it in the description below. So it has night vision with a 850 nanometer LED light, which covers up to 25 feet. It has a speaker and a microphone, so you can record the audio and yell out at whoever might be coming onto your property. It can zoom digitally 4 times. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. Supposedly it lasts a fairly long time. Comes with a base station, 2 cameras, adapter for the base station, adapter for a camera for the charging, 2 USB charging cables, Ethernet cable, wall mount, desktop mount, and mounting screws, and quick start guide. So let's see if we missed anything here. Optional cloud storage, view real-time video stream, which is pretty important for most people. It's kind of like that Ring audio video system. It gives you mobile alerts. You can share your cameras with friends. It supports a solar panel, so you can connect proprietary VAVA solar panels to charge the device as it's recording. Let's open it up. Pretty nice unboxing experience, smart, made simple. I'm guessing this is the user manual and warranty, things like that. I'm gonna scan that PR code to download the app later on. These are the setup instructions. I'm not going to set it up on camera because I'm sure it'll take me a little while to figure it out. You do need to insert micro SD cards to record locally. I don't believe this system actually comes with any local storage, so I will go ahead and purchase some micro SD cards. Okay, we'll put that to the side and see what else is in there. Alright, we'll start with the accessories. So this is the charging base and the mounts, or the charging cables and the mounts. So this goes to the base, I believe. Power adapter. This is a micro USB charging cable times 2. Some screws and mounts. This is the mount for the camera. Not entirely sure what this does, but I'll figure it out. Guess this will. And then this is a Ethernet cable, I believe, to connect to the to the base. This is the base. This is the system that connects to the camera, and yeah, looks pretty sleek actually. It's not gonna dirty up your home decor. Pretty simple looking device. There's a micro SD card slot, LAN port, a USB out. Not entirely sure what that is for. I'll look into it. The power. This is the sync button to sync your cameras and the audios, and then the reset button. Let's look up what the camera module looks like. The interesting thing is I only see one mount in here, so I'm not sure why they would give you just one mount when you get two cameras. Don't mind the fruit flies. We brought our outdoor plants indoors because it's getting colder out, and they brought in some fruit flies. Okay, so this, I believe, yep, magnetic. All right, that's pretty awesome. So you put this on the wall wherever you want, and this just sticks on, and you can angle it whichever way you want. It's a pretty strong magnet too. Okay, so I understand why they only give you this one mount, because the other mount goes on the wall through using these things. And let's see what this is. Yeah, so the other mount, this is one mount and this is the other mount. So that's the camera sensor. I'm not sure what that is. Here's a mount, mounting hole for proprietary, or for a different system if you'd like. I think this is the charging port. It's probably difficult to open because it is supposed to be waterproof, so you don't want it to be easily opened up. It's harder to open than I anticipated. Let me just, I don't want to break my nails. I'm just going to use this screw to open it up. Let's see. Not entirely sure how that opens. I'm pretty sure it just is supposed to pop up from here, but I can't open it. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. This is a charging brick. Let's use this. Oh, here we go. I think it's like perfect size for you to stick the charging brick in there. So maybe it is meant for the charging brick to go in. And here we go. And there's a sync button in here too. So I'm glad I opened it up to show you. I wish this was a little easier to open, but I think now that I've opened it once, it should be easier to open. Let's have a look. You want to push it in all the way because, you know, it's supposed to be waterproof outside, so. No, still pretty hard to open. I think once you bring it in, you use something like this to open it up, and it actually fits perfectly on here, so I'm pretty sure this is what's meant to be used to open this thing up. Let's see how hard it is to close it back up. So we're going to start from the hinge side of the cover, and yeah, okay, it does close up all the way perfectly. All right, it's a pretty sturdy system. This is the speaker end of it, or microphone, I'm not sure. Probably speaker and microphone holes here. They want to reduce the amount of holes out there so that it doesn't, you know, get waterlogged. Nice little seal around the camera here. I see a double seal. Let's have a look at the other one. It's probably the exact same deal, but just want to make sure. So the magnet is right there. Okay, exact same deal here. Let's see how it is to open it up here. Yep, much easier when you actually use the right tools. But same thing, sync button, micro USB port, and a reset button. And that is all. If you have questions, leave them below. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.